Hello everyone and welcome back. Last year I came up with an idea to make a fermented hot sauce using only yellow and orange peppers. This season I've grown several of these coloured varieties again, and I want to share how I made my Australian Sunshine hot sauce. A hot sauce that is full of flavour and almost as hot as the Australian sun. Let's go. We start off with our peppers. I have 8 different varieties, and in no particular order they are Sugar Rush Peach, Trinidad Scorpion CARDI Yellow, Orange Habanero, Jamaican Yellow Scotch Bonnet, Yellow Naga Brain, Aji Pineapple, Yellow Tabasco and Aji Mango. This mix of peppers should make a sauce that brings the heat with fruity notes. To add some background flavour, I'm also adding 2 white onions and a few cloves of garlic. I'm going to start by chopping up the peppers and then adding in the garlic and onion to my fermenting jar. I chop the peppers rather than put them in whole so that they will 1. Be able to be compacted and fit in the jar, and 2. Be completely covered in the brine. After cramming in as many peppers as I can, I then place a small and large fermenting buddy in to help keep everything submerged under the brine. Speaking of the brine, I'm doing a 4% brine, so I have 2 litres of water to which I'm going to add 80 grams of salt, and to give the lactobacteria some extra food, 1 tablespoon of raw sugar. So all we need to do now is fill up the jar with the brine, and I'll wait a couple of minutes to see if I need to add more due to air pockets. I'm happy with the brine level, so after placing the rubber seal, lid and clamps, I'm going to add some of the brine to my airlock and affix it to the jar to help keep any nasties out. All that's left to do is put a label on, and with the leftover peppers I've just put them into a smaller jar with brine, and we're going to let these ferment for a while. It's been 8 weeks and there is still some fermentation happening, but I was satisfied with this. There were no signs of spoilage and it fermented perfectly. Now I say, let's make some sauce. I'm using my Ninja blender with the 2 litre jug initially to blend all the peppers first, and then I'm going to use the smaller blender attachment. It does mean an extra piece of equipment that I have to clean and blend in a couple of batches, however I will end up with a much smoother and finer sauce. After an initial blend, I like to test the pH level, and as you can see this came out at 3.6, which is perfect. To finish off this sauce, I'm going to add in all of the brine and blend in a couple of batches with a finer blade. After blending a few batches, we've ended up with over 2 litres of sauce, which includes the smaller jar. A final pH test out of habit reveals a perfect sauce that is now ready to bottle. And that, my friends, is my Australian Sunshine hot sauce done. For a finishing touch, I'm going to apply some labels. Here are some labels I made last year using an inkjet printer. The labels really haven't held up well in the fridge. But this year, I've been using a local print supply store who print my designs via laser, which should refrain from bleeding and smudging when stored in the fridge. At 60 cents a sheet for 18 hot sauce labels, it's not even worth me printing my own, and they look pretty darn good too. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more hot sauce creations, please leave a comment, like and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you same chilli time, same chilli channel.